Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find total users in Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, gotta log in to your Mixpanel account. Once done, go to the left panel and click on users. Okay, just click on it and you'll be able to see all of your users right here. Okay, with its name, email, distinct ID, the last update, country code, region, and city. Okay, also at the top left, we have the users with profiles. Okay, just click on it. You can go ahead and select users as well, like anyone whose data is tracked in Mixpanel as an event or a user profile property. Okay, this one right here that is currently selected, only the users for whom you collect or set user profile properties in Mixpanel. Okay, that's basically how you do it. That's how you find the total users here in Mixpanel. Another option, if you wanted to find the total users for a specific board or dashboard, so just go ahead and open up your board. Okay, for example, this one. Now you can go ahead and click on add content. Okay, make sure to use insights report. Just click on it. Now in the metric type, make sure that it's set to all user profiles, or here under user, you can go ahead and analyze profiles. Okay, that's basically it. This method right here provides a historical view of your total user base over time, allowing you to track growth trends. And that is how you find the total users in Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.